Herbs are like the little magicians of our garden. They transform ordinary dishes into culinary masterpieces with their enchanting flavors. If you are planning to create a garden, here are some herbs you should not miss. Start with basil, an essential herb used in cuisines worldwide. It not only adds a sweet and savory flavor to your dishes, but also has numerous health benefits. Next, we have mint, the perfect herb for your summer drinks and lamb dishes. It has a strong, refreshing flavor that can cool your taste buds. Then there's rosemary, a hearty, woody herb that's perfect for roasting and grilling. It adds a unique, aromatic flavor to your dishes. Parsley is another must-have herb. Its light and fresh taste complements any dish. It's also packed with several nutrients. Don't forget about thyme, a delicate herb with a slight lemony flavor. It pairs well with poultry and can be used in soups, sauces, and marinades. Coriander, often known as cilantro, is a versatile herb with a distinctive flavor. It's used in a wide range of dishes, from spicy salsa to savory soups. Lastly, we have sage, known for its robust flavor and beautiful velvety leaves. It's often used in stuffing, grilling, and roasting recipes. Each of these herbs has its own unique flavor and benefits, making them a must-have in your garden. They not only add a burst of flavor to your dishes, but also add beauty to your garden. So make sure you don't miss out on these magical herbs in your garden.